These are the sceneries from the golf club. Barrier Town Golf Club you are watching. This is a very beautiful place if you will visit, situated in the Garden City, and this is the Barrier Town Garden City, Islamabad. Comes at the barrier between Rawalpindi and Islamabad. If you will see just here, are you watching golf floras which are being marketed in all media channels and all over the Pakistan. You will see the signboards of golf flora marketed by Grana.com, and also that is made by Imarat Builders. Grana.com is a revolutionary company regarding the construction field in Pakistan, and they delivered Amazon Mall, and Amazon Mall is visible from here. No, I think that is far away. And then Mall of Arabia and Florence. Florence one is a hotel near the DH one, and these are the 4-5 main projects. And main project of the Grana.com or Imarat Builders, that is the golf floras that is being marketed so many times in media channels currently. That is in a super hot marketing object which is being marketed throughout the media. You will see this Garden City Golf Club, very beautiful if you will see that. And about this golf club, main thing is that is situated at the barrier of Rawalpindi and Islamabad, and this is the zoo. If you will see this building, yellow color, in front of that building there is a zoo, in which this is a Barrier Town Rawalpindi zoo, and in that zoo almost 6 lions are present, and other animals are also present. So this is a road, this is a marriage hall, and if you will see, and this is a Garden City Villas. This is not a super hit project by Barrier Town because that is not completely that is not finished yet, and due to some problems the people are not taking interest because that is little expensive, and also the work is very slow. You can see the grey structure, but the area is very beautiful. That is the Giga company projects you can see at the back side. Giga Mall is also situated just 5 minutes drive from here, and this is the Lignum Tower you can see from here. This is the Lignum Tower. So that is the area which is very closer to the GT road, just 5 minutes away. So if you are going to invest in this Garden City, that is, I think, good idea. The problem is only one, that Garden City is not properly developed now. There are no, you can listen the animals' voices. These voices are coming from the zoo. So the problem in the Garden City is that this area is not better developed until now. Developed means that people did not come to reside here. Their houses are not made yet. You can see the grey structure. So also some other projects by Scare 9 International, that is also visible from here. Scare 9 International started, and Zem Builder also started a project here. You can see the Zem Builder at the back side, a green color you can see, that is the Zem Builder project that is also being marketed all over Rawalpindi and Islamabad. So this is a very good place to visit. If you came to Barrier Town, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, come here, have a peace of mind here. Inspiration is and expiration is very keen here. Much calm situation, much calm scenario, much calm habitat, and have a time here. And if you want to see the zoo, this is the road which goes to zoo, and just a 5-6 minute walking distance from here you will see animals. This is the golf. If you want to play golf, you have to register yourself. That is nominal fee. You can register yourself. And near this Garden City, other blocks of the Barrier Town present. If you move from the back side, phase 7 and phase 8 will also come. This is the Pakistani flag you can see. Pakistani flag you can see. Pakistani flag. You are visible, that Pakistani flag. Yes, at the back side of the Pakistani flag also villas of the Garden City present. And these are the same villas which are I am showing this one, but they are not finished, but those villas are finished, but those are very less in numbers. So I will not advise to purchase these villas. These are very expensive. These are 1 canal houses, very expensive, but also not good for residents because there is no. This is the area at the back side of the mountain. You can see that is also the part of Garden City. That is very good area. That is very good area. If you are going to invest here. This is the area in which houses have been made. You can purchase plot here, you can make little expensive but very good for the future prospect, situated closer to the GT road. You can see one mall. This is the mall of the mall managed by Barrier Town, and which is not completed yet. So that is not a good investment because that is stuck item here in Barrier Town. Mosque at the back side, you can see very beautiful mosque of Garden City. There are two mosques in the Garden City. One is here. This is the start, which is a gate closer to this mosque of the Garden City, and one is the mosque which is at the back side near the Phase 8 gate. And also there is a simplex also. This is the simplex. You can see the yellow color building. This is the simplex, and this simplex is the cinema of the Barrier Town Garden City. So come here, visit. And also Golf Flora is a good investment, but still I will say Grana.com is not going to make this soon. Almost 4 to 5 years, that is very long time. They are charging so much amount in advance. I think that is quite high. That may not be that may be issue in this project. But remaining projects of Grana.com were very successful. Amazon Mall they have made, and also one project Florence Galleria, that is a hotel near the DHA1 in the near the Giga Mall. That almost third floor has been found. I think that is a good idea. So I will keep telling you some useful informations, and one more I will also tell about some projects near the hub, business hub of Phase 8, which is more attracting place for investors currently. If you see almost 60 to 70, I may say 40 to 50 projects are being running at one place. So that is very good idea. I think that area will be more precious in reference to investment, and investment will increase by at least 80 to 20% appreciation in that area if anybody need purchase commercial property there, because Dominion Mall and etc. Dominion Mall is just 5 minutes drive from here, and Phase 8 maintenance office is 5 minutes drive from here. GT Road from the Phase 7 gates 6 minutes drive from here, and DHA1 gate almost 7 to 8 minutes drive from here. So this is the Garden City. So I briefed you about the Garden City, and I will keep telling you other projects and other things, and keep watching this channel. Our channel is basically educational channel as well as the real estate channel. So basically I focused my company to market focus my company to work on two fields, educational and the real estate counseling, because education is the top one. That's the requirement of each individual. Professional counseling is much required subject in the current habitat in which coronavirus is too much dominant, and also international admissions we were doing, and that is little bit stuck due to current corona virus, and also some classes IELTS speaking, and also some advice for professional and immigration counseling for overseas countries, and real estate counseling for local country, and also for some international projects. And now I am currently in Barrier Town, and we had opened office in Barrier Town, Rawalpindi Linear Commercial, and shifted office from 6 Road. Yes, our earlier address was 6 Road, and 6 Road office was being shifted to now Barrier Town. This is the information for the clients. If you have any our educational clients, our real estate clients, please contact our the linear commercial office, and contacts are being given in the links, and I may speak my number 0344 510 5148. Sir Irfan speaking to you from the Park Consultant. Park Consultant deal in educational counseling and the real estate counseling, professional counseling, and over counseling change the mind of the people. And we have started the real estate counseling as well, because a lot of people invested at the places where outputs were nil, and they wasted their money in the rush that of course the real estate is giving huge profits these days, but never mean that real estate will give you always huge profits. You have to research, you have to investigate, you have to be counseled by any professional person, and we are going to counsel you about where to invest, or at least we will give you information, or we will make your directions that how you will invest your money, or you will purchase or sell anything in the future. And also one thing more, due to Ring Road news, the Phase 8 prices have been raised. That may be synthetic according to over observation, because dealers increase their prices due to news in the media. Therefore, I don't think this is the time to purchase the property in the Barrier Town Phase 8. And in the coming days might be little bit prices decreased. So that is a very good idea to little bit hold 2-3 months and then purchase, because prices have been raised in the current 2 months, and that is raised not naturally, that is synthetically. Mean one plot which was, for example, if you are going to purchase block in M block 4 months back, that was almost 30 to 35 lakh. Now it is 40 to 45 lakh. So 10 lakh increase, it means that may be synthetic. So keep in touch with us. We will give you updated information. Look at the people who are playing the golf club, you can see, and I will be in touch. Thank you very much. Our contact number, I already spoken, office linear commercial in Barrier Town, Rawalpindi. Thank you. Our WhatsApp number is on, and we will reply if you have genuine queries.